Hi darlings, in this video we are going to discuss about monocot leaf. Firstly, the leaf is the main place where photosynthesis occurs. The leaves are usually green due to the presence of chlorophyll pigment, but in some plants the leaves are of different colors due to the presence of pigments which dominating this green chlorophyll. This monocotyledon leaf has the three parts. One is epidermis part, mesophyll part and vascular bundle part. This monocot leaf means the leaves which appears on the plant produced from seeds with a single cotyledon like maize, rice, grass, wheat, etc. If we cut the transverse section of this monocot leaf, we find the outer covering epidermis. This epidermis is seen on both upper surface and lower surface, and upper epidermis is known as adaxial epidermis and lower epidermis is known as the abaxial epidermis. This epidermis layer is made up of a cubical shaped cells, and these cells are completely packed without intercellular spaces. Covering this epidermis is the thin cuticle. This cuticle helps the leaf in preventing the water loss. Some cells of the epidermis grows outward to form a bulliform cells or motor cells. These cells helps the leaf to roll over themselves in order to reduce the surface area exposed to the sunlight during the hot seasons. In between upper epidermis and lower epidermis is the mesophyll region. This mesophyll region is made up of parenchyma cells. This parenchyma cell, and this is the region where the photosynthesis of the leaf takes place. These mesophyll cells are spherical, angular or irregular shaped with few or no intercellular spaces. In majority of cases, the intercellular spaces between these cells are absent, but in some cases, minute intercellular spaces are seen. In case of monocotyledon leaf, this mesophyll region not divided into pellucidal parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. Inner to this mesophyll region is the vascular bundles. This vascular bundles is surrounded by a bundle sheet cells. This bundle sheet cells is made up of a large barrel-shaped endodermal cells. Xylem is usually present towards the upper epidermis and phloem is present usually towards the lower epidermis. This xylem helps in conduction of water and dissolved minerals, whereas phloem helps in conduction of food materials. In case of monocotyledon leaves, the vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral and closed. Closed means the no cambium is absent in between this phloem and xylem. Because of no cambium, the secondary growth in monocotyledon leaves are completely absent. Monocotyledon leaves are usually described as isobilateral leaves because both upper epidermis and lower epidermis are of same type, and in monocotyledon leaves ampistomatic condition is seen. Ampistomatic condition means both upper and lower surface have the equal number of stomata, and in case of monocotyledon leaves the gourd cells of stomata are of dumbbell bell shaped. The upper and lower surface of the monocotyledon leaves are usually green, but in dicotyledon leaves the upper epidermis or upper surface is dark green in color, whereas the lower surface is light green in color. The intercellular spaces are relatively small or completely absent in monocotyledon leaves due to the compact or completely arrangement of these mesophyll cells. Mesophylls of monocotyledon plant leaves have no spongy and pellucidal parenchyma.